Hey y'all, it's Laura, and let's talk scrappy goals and plans for 2023. I don't know about y'all, but this last year has been wild. My schedule has changed so much now that I've gone back to school, and now my kids' schedules have changed up a little bit, and now being a single mom, I am refocusing on a lot of different day-to-day tasks that normally would be split up, but now are all on me. And so I am having to kind of rearrange my schedule a bit, looking at how I proportion my time and energy. And so I wanted to give you guys an idea of what to expect from the channel and what my focus is going to be for the year 2023. To begin with, the very first thing that I'm going to be doing is the DIY Stash series is going to a mini kit version. And so it's going to be focused on creating 4 to 5 layouts a month and using 2 collections combined together to make a mini kit. And that's a little bit more doable with the time that I have at the moment, but I also have some other plans in the works. For one thing, at the summertime point, I think roughly June, July, we're going to start a budget scrapbooking series. And I know several of you have been really excited about this idea, so you can expect that about June or July, I believe. I'm also going to be doing a year-long Purge Your Stash series where I'm focusing on curating a stash that works for me. Because I don't know about y'all, but over the last 5 years working for a lot of different design teams, I've accumulated a lot of beautiful products. And it's kind of overwhelming to have too much stuff. And if you've been scrapbooking for a while, I've been scrapbooking over 20 years, you have stuff that's been sitting in your stash for a little too long. And so now we're going to have some tips and tricks and techniques for purging that stash, for deciding what to keep, what to get rid of, and organizing what's left. That's the plan. So that's going to be an ongoing series on the channel. I'm also going to be continuing my Cut Apart Crazy, which we're going to be using the lovely Simple Stories collection for this year. So this is the Life Crafted Simple Stories collection that has 12 by 12 cut aparts for each month. And I picked this particular brand this year. Last year we did Echo Park. This year we're doing Simple Stories because I love the color scheme. The icons are easier to use than Echo Park's version for me, for my style of scrapbooking. And they've gone to a more white based. So I'm very, very excited for that because last year, or no, 2 years ago when I used the original Life Crafted series, they used a cream base and I really struggled with it because I really prefer a white base. I've also got the sticker book to add to that lovely little packet of papers and may throw in a few more things for my stash as well to make a little kit for that series, but that is the plan for the Cut Apart Crazy this year. So we're going to be using the Simple Stories Life Crafted. You don't have to, but I'm going to be, just so that you know. In addition, we are going to continue the Scrap Lift Sunday with Miranda Weber. We are going to be joining into a couple of fun little collabs along the way, I'm sure, because we do that from time to time. I am going to be sticking with Coco Manila Studio for their design team in 2023 and Bella Boulevard. I really have enjoyed being on both of these design teams. Now, going forward, anything else we're doing? Yes, we are going to start a budget scrapbooking series in the summer. We're going to be continuing to explore some DIY embellishments, and I am going to provide you with some inspiration via some layout flips of seasonal and gender specific sort of layouts. So that'll be fun to look forward to as well. And lots of scrapping. That's the plan. Lots and lots of scrapbooking. If you have any questions, put them down below, or if you're excited for any of those series or any of the new things that I have coming, let me know. I also want to hear your plans. What are you doing for 2023? Are you doing more pocket page scrapbooking? Are you doing more 12 by 12 scrapbooking? Are you diving into your stash? I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, bye y'all.